Welcome friends. Today we are going to learn print and println methods available in Java from out class. Now to access out class we can use system.out method. By accessing this out class we can use print and println methods. These two methods are almost same with a small difference. Today we are going to learn how to use these two methods in Java programming. So let us try to understand these two methods. These two methods are static and provided by out class, and it can be accessed, out class can be accessed by system.out method. So directly we can write system.out.print or system.out.println. Both print and println methods requires one string type of argument, and this will be displayed as it is on screen. Let us try to understand these two methods. First one, both methods are used to display a sentence or a string on a screen. Both methods are used to print this statement at current cursor position on screen. Okay, so wherever your cursor is available on a screen, at that position, both methods will print on screen. Now let us see the difference. Print method keeps cursor at its own position after finishing the printing or displaying. On the other hand, println methods moves cursor to the next line after printing. Okay, so this is the basic difference between print and println. So print is used to just print the characters at given position, and remaining line is available for further printing. In case of println, after finishing the print operation, the remaining line will not be available because cursor will be shifted to the next line. So this is the basic difference between print and println function. Let us try to understand the same thing with the help of example. Let us have a practical demonstration of how to use print and println methods so that you can clearly understand when to use print and when to use println. Now I am sharing my screen. So let us use command prompt. So we will use DOS-based editor. Move to the D drive. Move to the folder that already we have created in a D drive. And now here we will create a program. Let us say J2 is a program name. So j2.java. So in a program, now here I am writing system.out.print. Okay, let us do one thing. I will put only one character inside it. Okay, and I will copy this line and paste it twice. And here I will just replace in second statement print B, in third statement print C. So I'm having three different statements with print function, and we are displaying A, B, C separately. Now let us compile this program. Compilation is successful. Let us run the program. Now here you will understand what happens. ABC, even though we are writing ABC in a different statements, ABC is displayed in a continuous manner. Why? Because print cursor doesn't move the cursor to the next line after print operation. Okay, now let us modify the program. Go back to the program again. Now what I will do is, I will just put ln here for the first function. Now what will happen? It will print A and then move cursor to the next line. So here you will get A on one line and BC on another line. Let us check the outcome. Let us recompile the program and run the program. So here you can see A is displayed at separate line because we are using println function. Now, if we again modify the program and put ln for all print functions, we will use println instead of print for all, then you will get A, B, C at different lines. Save the file, recompile the program, run the program. Now you can observe the outcome. A, B, C are displayed on separate lines because we are using println function. Now this is the practical demonstration of print and println functions. I hope now you by this demo you understood when to use print function, when to use println. I will just summarize. When you want to go to the next line after print operation, use println function. Otherwise, you can use print function. So thank you very much for watching this video, and put your comments below this video so that I will share more such videos. Thank you very much.